Bonjour, c'est Clara, Clearly French. Today's video is a bit unusual. It's about how to talk to your dog in French. And we're going to start with telling you a bit about facts about dogs in France, and then we'll follow that with the usual commands and sentences. Here's what you need to know about the French and their dogs. Dogs are allowed almost everywhere in France, including restaurants, cafes, and even some shops. It's common to see a dog sitting quietly under a cafe table while the owner enjoys a coffee. French dog owners take their daily promenade, walk, very seriously. Walking a dog in France is not just about exercise. It's a social activity where owners chat with neighbors and other dog owners. Despite appearances, France has strict laws about cleaning up after dogs, especially in cities like Paris. Many cities provide sacs à déjection, dog waste bags, and special bins for dog waste disposal. However, despite the laws, a lot of French dog owners still don't pick up after their dogs, so you have to watch your step everywhere you go. French dogs often have human names like Chloé, Hugo, Gaston, or funny names like Nasdaq, Promo, etc. Some owners even follow the letter of the year rule, where purebred dogs registered with the French Kennel Club must have names starting with a specific letter each year. While kibble, or dried dog food, which is croquette, is common, many French owners prepare homemade meals for their dogs and their cats, including cooked meat, vegetables, and rice. Some high-end pet stores in France even sell gourmet dog pâté, organic treats, and even Michelin star-inspired dog food. In France, it's common to see dogs on public transport, not just service dogs, but any type of dogs, especially in Paris. Small dogs can sit on laps, and larger dogs may need a ticket. Unfortunately, here's a very shameful fact you need to be aware of. France has one of the highest rates of pet abandonment in Europe, especially before the summer holiday. Every year, more than 100,000 pets, mostly dogs and cats, are abandoned, with 60,000 left behind just before the summer break. Animal rights groups like 30 Millions d'Amis and the SPA launch anti-abandonment campaigns every summer. Some motorways or highways now have cameras and fines to catch people who abandon dogs. The French government has also increased prison sentences and fines for pet abandonment up to 3 years in prison and a €45,000 fine. Here are a few basic commands that people use with their dogs. Assis for sit. Couché for lie down. Debout, stand up. Viens ici, or even au pied, come here. Or just ici, here. Reste, stay. Pas bouger, don't move. Va chercher, go fetch. Donne, give. Lâche or laisse, drop it. Saute, jump. Descends, get down. Fais le beau, sit up and beg. Tourne, turn around. Roule, roll over. Now, when you want to offer praise and corrections, this is how you do it. C'est bien, good boy or good girl. Bravo, well done. Oui, bon chien. Yes, good dog. Non, no. Stop, stop. Doucement, take it easy. Ça suffit. That's enough. Attention. Be careful. Here are a few other common sentences that dogs understand. On va se promener. Shall we go for a walk? Tu veux un biscuit ou tu veux une friandise? Do you want a treat? Allez, viens. Come on, let's go. Où est ta balle? Where's your ball? Va chercher la balle. Go fetch your ball. On va jouer? Shall we play? Tu es prêt? Are you ready? Il faut être sage. You have to be good. On rentre à la maison. Let's go home. Laisse-moi tranquille. Leave me alone. Tu veux aller dehors? Do you want to go outside? Attention, il y a une voiture. Careful, there's a car. On va chez le vétérinaire. We're going to the vets. Arrête d'aboyer. Stop barking. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking on the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.